Guys, remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment on what you think about this nice, delicious, yummy smoothie. So let's get right into the recipe. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a yummy smoothie. Okay, yummy smoothie with papaya, banana, strawberry, all frozen. Papaya, I'm gonna be using half of this. Yes, so let me cut this in two. Half of the papaya. I have also a yogurt, and I have flaxseed, and I have some water, cube ice, and I have almond milk. Alright, so let me get rid of the seed and everything else. So guys, this is gonna be a yummy smoothie. It's papaya, strawberry, banana, and yogurt smoothie, right? So I'm gonna cut this up. Okay, let me finish peel this. Gonna put it up and add it to the bowl. Yes. Not that sweet, but can do. Right guys, and I apply the blender. First, I'm gonna add the water to the blender. You can choose to use a juice or anything you want to use, guys. I'm gonna add the fruits. Alright, I'm gonna add the almond milk, so roughly 2 tablespoons. Okay, so I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, well, half. And then I'm gonna add my yogurt. You can choose to use any other yogurt that you prefer. Alright. Yummy. It's gonna be a yummy smoothie, guys. Yummy smoothie. Alright. And I have some ice. I'm gonna add these. Thank you, guys. Alright, put these away. Cover this away. Guys, all done. So I'm gonna glass it for you. it's all done, it's my yummy smoothie with papaya, strawberry and banana, yogurt and soy milk and some flaxseed. Alright, that's my yummy smoothie. Let me taste it for you guys. So yummy, as the name say. Guys, I want to taste this. It's smoothie for breakfast or lunch or even dinner, or maybe you want to have a little pick me up. It's good for you guys. It's so yummy. So go ahead and try it. I just want to tell you a little bit more about the benefits of papaya. Papaya, according to Google, papaya contains high levels of antioxidants, vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Diets high in antioxidants may reduce the risk of heart disease, and the antioxidants prevent the oxidation of cholesterol, whatever that is. That's the benefit of papaya. So if you have papaya around, you can go ahead and make up this yummy smoothie, guys. Very yummy. So yummy, guys. So and go ahead and try it. The children will love it. It's just a smooth taste that anybody would love. And remember, it's almost natural, right? So go ahead and try it. You will love it. The children will love it. All right. So until next time, see you in my next video. Bye.